Welcome to SF Car Reviews, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we present a complete review of the 2026 Rolls Royce Motorhome, a luxurious and groundbreaking addition to the world of premium recreational vehicles. Rolls Royce, known globally for crafting some of the most prestigious cars, has now entered the elite motorhome segment with a model that readies road travel. This masterpiece combines the brand's legendary craftsmanship, elegance, and innovation with the comforts of a modern luxury home on wheels. The exterior design of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome showcases a regal appearance with a long sculpted body featuring the signature Pantheon grille and Spirit of Ecstasy ornament leading the way. Built with lightweight yet durable materials including carbon fiber and high-rate aluminum, the structure ensures aerodynamic efficiency and strength. The large panoramic windows, powered awnings, and subtle chrome detailing enhance the vehicle's luxurious presence on any road or campsite. Rolls-Royce offers bespoke exterior finishes, allowing customers to personalize their motorhome down to the finest detail. Beneath the hood, the motorhome is powered by a twin-turbocharged V12 engine paired with a mild hybrid system. This powerful setup produces over 700 horsepower, ensuring effortless highway cruising and smooth acceleration regardless of terrain. The advanced air suspension system provides a near-silent ride, gliding over bumps with the grace expected from Rolls-Royce. Coupled with an intelligent all-wheel drive system and regenerative braking, this motorhome delivers both performance and efficiency for long-distance luxury travel. Inside the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is a sanctuary of opulence and technology. The interior features handcrafted wood veneers, lamb's wool carpets, hand-stitched leather seats, and customizable ambient lighting. The spacious layout includes a lounge with electric recliners, a dining area, a gourmet kitchen with high-end appliances, a spa-fired bathroom and a private bedroom with a king-size bed. The noise insulation is world-class, creating a peaceful and quiet environment wherever you are. Technological features are just as impressive. A fully integrated smart home system allows voice or app control of lighting, temperature, shades, and entertainment. A large OLED infotainment display, premium surround sound system, satellite connectivity, and augmented reality navigation make travel both enjoyable and stress-free. The safety suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and 360,160-degree cameras with night vision. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome represents the pinnacle of mobile luxury, merging the refinement of a Rolls-Royce limousine with the utility and space of a top-tier motorhome. Designed for those who demand excellence without compromise, it offers an unmatched experience in road travel, whether for weekend getaways or cross-country adventures. If you found this review informative and want more updates on the most exclusive and advanced vehicles on the market, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. This is SF Car Reviews, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Stay tuned as we explore the world of automobiles.